Are you curious or interested in getting skin rejuvenation treatments such as IPL, Fraxel, or Thermage? Fall is the time to get that done, so if you need more information or you're curious, then please keep watching.
Aloha ladies, today I want to talk to you about skin rejuvenation and some of the amazing services and treatments that are out there today. And those can include treatments such as, and these might be things that you've heard of, IPL treatments, Fraxel, Thermage, dermabrasion, chemical peels, or even skincare products such as the Obagi New Derm. All of these treatments and skincare products are targeted towards getting rid of all the sun damage. And I don't know if you're aware of it, but the sun is responsible for 80% of your skin's aging, meaning any brown spots, broken capillaries, fine lines, wrinkles, and droopy skin. So today I wanted to talk to you about one of the treatments that I've done is called the IPL treatment. And that's intense pulse light, and it's a type of laser. I highly recommend you go to a dermatologist that you have checked out, spoken to other people, and this is probably one of the most non-invasive type of treatments that you can get for rejuvenating your skin. Now, if you have any kind of freckles at all, no one's ever born with a freckle, and a freckle is actually the first sign of sun damage. As we get older, and those freckles turn into larger brown spots. So today I kind of purposely didn't wear any makeup so that you could see that I'm still kind of battling some of my age spots and a broken capillary here. And over the past 5 years, maybe even longer than that, I do a series of these skin rejuvenation treatments. So I've had IPL, I've had Fraxel, and I've had Thermage. So like I said, today I wanted to talk to you about IPL and what makes an IPL treatment, I think, one of the better places for someone to start with. And that focuses strictly on your brown spots and broken capillaries, which some of us get on our cheeks. I get it up on my forehead. But I've had IPL treatments done on my arms. I've had it done also on my décolletage area up here on our neck, where if we're driving in our car, a lot of us don't think about it, but this is where we get a lot of sun damage. And then also when driving in our car, being outside, and especially after the summer, okay, we really probably have a lot more brown spots than what we would like. And I will tell you this, it generally takes a series of sometimes 3 to 6 of these treatments, but your doctor will let you know what he thinks is the best course of action for you. Now, what can you expect from an IPL treatment? Well, first off, it's a little tiny bit painful. It kind of feels like a snapping of a rubber band, and it's this laser light, and it kind of looks like a little handheld gun. And what's really cool about IPL is it doesn't damage your skin. It strictly targets these sun damaged brown spots, or like I said, broken little capillaries, but it doesn't create like any type of blistering or skin peeling. But what it does do is it brings to the surface all of your sun damage. So all of a sudden, after you get a treatment, you're going to look like one big massive freckle. But what happens is that because of the type of laser that it is, all these little brown spots break apart. Now, when you go in, what can you expect? First, you'll make sure that you wear protective goggles that the doctor or the nurse will give you. They're going to be putting a cooling gel on your skin, and then that helps conduct the laser light so that also it only targets the damaged areas. So I can highly recommend doing an IPL treatment as your beginning steps for sun damage and to rejuvenate your skin. Now, once your doctor analyzes your skin though, he might decide that you need a combination of treatments. So like I said, you might start with an IPL, then you might do a Fraxel treatment, and I'll talk about that in my next video for you. Or they might recommend a chemical peel. Whatever your course of action is though, after your treatment, I cannot stress to you how important it is for you to be sun aware and to stay out of the sun. And once again, that's why I only recommend using at least a 30 SPF sunscreen, or of course wearing one of my ETSIS hats for the ultimate result. Also, you might want to know what the cost of some of these treatments are, and those can vary at doctor's offices. Could be anywhere starting point at $250 for your first treatment. They might offer a package deal, but I will tell you, generally it's a series of these treatments, like 3 to 6. You might get it done once a month for 3 months. And now that summertime is over, I think the fall is one of the best times to start looking into some of these treatments. And I want to just kind of recommend one of my favorite dermatologists and bloggers is Dr. Cynthia Bailey. And if you really want some inside information on some of these treatments, go to Dr. Bailey's blog site. To me, she gives the best advice. She makes it so that you really understand what these treatments are all about. And she's like my go-to dermatologist for answering any of my questions. So anyway, I hope that if you have lots of freckles or lots of brown spots that you give IPL treatments a chance. I think they're, like I said, one of the easiest treatments to start off with. And I'll look forward to talking to you about my Fraxel treatment that I've had.
I'm actually recording that. Blooper reel. Okay.